You are welcome to this class and thank you for joining us. Here we want to solve this interesting equation. X raised to power 4 minus 16 equals to 0. Here, let us write this as x raised to power 2, then all raised to power 2. Same thing as x raised to power 4 from the law of indices. Then minus, we can write this as 4 raised to power 2, which will give us 0. And looking at this, we apply difference of two squares when we have a squared minus b squared. So this is same thing as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And when we use that here now, a is standing as x squared and b is standing as 4. So we have x squared plus 4 multiplied by x squared minus 4, which is equals to 0. And from there, as well, looking at this second bracket, we can also write that in difference of two squares. And we express this 4 in square as well. So we have x squared plus 4 multiplied by x squared minus 2 squared, which is equals to 0. Also, from difference of two squares, we can write this bracket in form of difference of two squares. A here is standing as x and b is standing as 2. So we have x squared plus 4 now will be multiplied by x plus 2, then multiplied by x minus 2, which is equals to 0. And from there, we have three cases here. We have the first one, x squared plus 4 is equals to 0. We have the second one, x plus 2 is equals to 0. And we have x minus 2 equals to 0. So from this first one here, we can take this plus 4 to this side, become minus. So we have x squared equals to minus 4. And when we solve from here, we have to take the square root on both sides. And square root on this side will be x squared, the square root of x squared equals to square root of minus 4. And we have square root of x squared will become x. So we have x equals to plus or minus. Here we can separate this as plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 1. And square root of minus 1 is I. So we can say this is x equals to plus or minus 2i. So we have two solutions here. We have x1 as 2i plus 2i. And the second one, x2 as minus 2i. Now from here, we can get the x3. We have x equals to, take plus to this side become minus, that's x equals to minus 2. And from this side, take this minus to this side become plus, we have x equals to 2. So we have the other solutions. We can say x3 equals to 2, and we can say x4 is equals to minus 2. So these are the values of x from that particular equation given. And we have come to the end of this class. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell on, and also share this video. See you in the next class, and bye for now.